Okay guys, let's write a code to create a simple registration form using HTML. So I'm just going to use this Sublime text editor and a browser to show the result. You can say I have already created a HTML form folder. This folder is here in the desktop. So after creating a folder, you can go to file option here in the Sublime, open folder. You can select any folder you want. In the desktop, I have this HTML form folder. I'm selecting that. After selecting, this window will open and right click and create a new file, or simply you can go to file and new file. After doing that, you will see this untitled. You need to save the file. Press Ctrl S from keyboard and save. You can see here HTML form folder. So I'll give the registration.html. Okay, type HTML and press Ctrl plus space bar. You'll get this option HTML. Press enter button. So all the basic things, basic code required for HTML will be here. We don't need this meta tag now, so let me delete it. Save it. This is the basic HTML structure. Now right click and copy file path and paste it here. I haven't write anything here. In the title, I will keep the title registration form. So this is the title. Now you can see at the top here, the title will be appear registration form. So the purpose of this title tag is to display the title here. Okay, after that we need to go to the body. If you want to display anything in the website like here, you need to type inside the body tag. So I'll write first h1 to display the heading, registration form. I'll give simple heading registration form. This is displayed here. Okay, fine. After this, I'll use form tag. To create a form, HTML is very simple. You need to type tag, that is form. Again, press Ctrl space bar to get option and press enter button. So the tag will be closed automatically. So inside the form, you can see first name, last name, phone number, like that. So to display that, we need to type label and press enter. So in the label, what do you want to display? I want to display first of all first name, because this is a registration form. We want user to type first name. I wrote first name in the label, so it look like this. Okay, after looking at this, where user will input the value, enter the value, first name, his or her name. So for that, we need to use input. After typing input, control space bar, you will get the option, press enter. In the type text, because this name is not necessary for now, you can remove or leave it as it is, and just press enter. Okay, so this is first name and the box to enter the first name. If you want to display user what he or she will have to write here, you can use placeholder. In the placeholder, name, or you can write enter your name or something like that. Look like this name. If you type, that will be removed. Okay, fine. Okay, this is simple. Now next, after this one label, we don't need only one thing here. We need name as well as last name also. So I will just copy, or I will show you by typing also. Again label. Next, what do we want? We want last name. So for that, last name. Again, I'll press here. This you can see last name here. So after that, I need to give input, and in the type text again. So I'll press refresh it. Okay, first name here, last name, and again you want to keep placeholder. You can keep it. So let me remove this name tag. It is not necessary now. I'll write here last name. Last name. Here I'll try first name. So user will see this message and type his last name, first name here. Okay, after doing that, in the next line over here, next line here, we want name. After name, we want phone number. I'll write here label again to display phone number. I'll write here mobile. Okay, then after mobile, I'll go to next line and type input. Input phone, input type phone, and in the placeholder mobile number. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, you can see here mobile is here and mobile number box is down. So if you want to keep this also down, what you need to do is after this last name, here it ends. After this last name, we want to change the line. To change the line, we have a code that is BR code, BR, BR tag. So change the line. Okay, now you see this is in the next line. Or if you want to give more space or more BR, you can give like this. It will be down mobile number. And if you can see placeholder. After mobile number, we'll ask for the email. So label, in the label, we'll write your email. So simple. If you write email, yeah, email is here. Now input. In the input type, this is what email. So I'll write your email. It is important. Now placeholder. In the placeholder, I'll write me in the email.
Here's the results from a search.
Email. Refresh it. Okay, enter email, or you can just write email only. In the box also email. Okay, after that, this is a registration form. And we want user to type password. So I'll write here label again.
Label, password. Password. So let me refresh it. Again, we want this password down. So what we can do, again, we can write here BR after email. Here in this line also. One more BR to give more space. Okay, password. Box. Input in the type PASS. Password. This is very much important to give type. Okay, a placeholder. Placeholder. Password. Okay, it's fine.
Now if we type anything here, it will look like this. And again, here's C button, it will display the password because of the type. In the first name, last name, the character will be displayed automatically. Because of this type password, the password will be hidden. Fine. After this, again label for what? Label for confirm password in registration
form. You always see that. Confirm password. Confirm password, and after that, I'll refresh. Okay, now the box will get that user input, and again password. Placeholder. In the placeholder, retype password. Retype password. So user will type password again. Okay, retype password.
or you can write confirm password. In the form, after all, you can see a submit button. To get the submit button, we don't need label, we need input only. In the input type, we have submit. We have to write submit. And if I refresh this, you can see submit button is here. But if you want it down after password, then you can use BR tag. BR tag. Change the line. BR, submit button is here. And next, after this, we want a reset button also. Type, again, you need to type submit, but in the name, you need to type your reset. Whatever you want to display in this button, you need to type in the name. No, submit, submit. Okay, not name, we need to change here to value, value reset. Okay, submit and reset. If you want this two buttons in the center, you can do that. Also a very easiest way without using CSS. Okay, let me enter. So after this confirm password, here you can use code and NBSP to give some space. Look, this is shifted little bit here. In the same way, you can copy and paste it again and again. How much space you want to give? Let's say this much for now. Yeah, this is shifted a little bit here. Or you can do same way, in the same way, just copy.
Paste it, paste it. You can give more space. That's fine, you can shift it by copying and pasting it again and again. Let me copy paste for you. Okay. Okay, fine. This is at the center. So and then BSP and semicolon. A simple registration form.
Look at here. This is very easy to create. If you want to change this, or if you want to keep this everything in the center of this web page, you can do that. This is very easy. You need to just go up before form and you can use center tag, center, and close this center tag after form tag. So where is the end of the form tag? Here, paste it. and then refresh it. Everything will go at the center, look like this. This registration form also, if you want to keep at the center, you can do that using this h1 tag. We'll use align tag here, align attribute, and then center. Okay, registration form, and then this is the form. If you want to change the background, you have two options. In the body tag, we can use attribute bz color to change the background color, and which you want to keep. Let's say orange for now. Refresh it. Yeah, fine. This is simple registration form. And if you want to keep it a little bit here in the same way like we did, you can just remove this few line of and NBSP code, so it will be in the center.
A bit more. Everything is in the center, so save it. Okay, this looks like fine. Or we can just remove everything and then paste the code, so it will be better. Yeah, fine.
First name, last name, email, phone number, retype password, and like that. Oh, we are missing something. Male, female, gender. We need to ask user for that also. Okay, let me do that as well. Before password, where is that? If this is password, before that, I want to ask for label gender. Gender also mandatory in registration form. Okay, now input type. Input type, we need to use radio because there will be two options, whether male or female. Okay, this is here, gender. Okay, after confirm password, I want to keep it here. Fine, I'll paste it over here. Okay, fine. After confirm password, this gender is here. Okay, after this gender, I want to give br tag to change the line, so it will go to the next line. Submit button will go to the next line. Okay, so in the gender, where it is, okay, label gender radio, and then name I can give here, name gender. Okay, then here we need to write male. This is the option. First option for gender is this, what, male. And the second option, okay, let me keep that also. Next line, then input type, again radio, and then here in the name I will use gender. I'm giving this name same here and here because we can select one at a time, whether male or female. You need to give same name for both, else you can select both the options. I'm selecting male, now female. Male or female, you cannot select both. If I remove this name, gender, you can select both, this and this also. This is not valid, so you need to keep this name attribute same in male and female. Or you want to keep
another option, input type, again radio, and count gender. Sorry, this is not supposed to be here. Here you need to write gender, same thing, and in the option you need to keep third. Okay, now you can select any one of these.
Male, female, or third gender. So okay, I was showing like mobile number field, how you can change that in another simple method for mobile number. So instead of using this, okay, this phone number is fine for now, but before that, after label, we do have select option. We need to add select. In the select, we have option. Option first, plus 977, country code. Which option you want to select? So I'm giving one option here. Then in the same way, I will copy paste 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Plus 91 for India, and I don't remember code. I'm just giving random values. Plus 9, 4, something like that. Now, if we refresh this, you can see mobile number. You have this country code option and then mobile number option. So in this way, we can make a simple registration form. This is very much simple. You need to use label and then input type. So just practice it twice. You will be very much clear about it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.